Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your name servers at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click the login button to get logged in. Now we're already logged in. Let's get rid of this and go full screen. That's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. To adjust the name servers, we're going to use the domains button. Quickly, let's look at the website button. These are the editing tools for editing your website. We're going to cover those after a bit at the very end. But this is our website, Hike Less Traveled. And when we adjust the name servers, we're going to be pointing that at a different provider. Let's take a quick look at our website. And we added this post right here, adjusting your name servers. And name servers, they tell the internet where to locate the web address associated with the domain name. And the reason you might want to adjust your name server is you're switching web hosting providers. Your domain isn't available for transfer, or you're adding a web application firewall. And these are the steps. We're going to go over these in just one moment. So this is a good spot on the tutorial to pause if you want to come back and reference the steps. These are going to walk you right through it. And this is what we're going to be doing here in just one moment. And then if you want to switch back, you're going to follow these steps if you want to switch back to Dataczar DNS hosting on Dataczar. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. And to adjust the name servers, we're going to click on the Domains button. And you're going to see the settings right here. So on this website, we're going to click on the Settings button. Then we're going to click on Advanced. We're going to click on Unlock Domain. And you're going to click on Name Servers. It's a little hard to see. It's right here. It's next to Domain Lock. Click on Name Servers. And there's a drop-down menu where it says Select DNS. Right now it's hosted on Dataczar, and you know that because it says Dataczar DNS. We're going to click the drop-down and click Other. And then we're going to click Edit Name Servers. So to edit your name servers, let me just grab one here. This is just an example. This isn't a real name server, but you would just add your name server and click Add. Add the next one. So this would be ns2.example.com. and click Add, and so forth. Usually it's either 2 or 4 name servers. Let's go ahead and delete these out, and let's add an actual working name server, because this one's going to stick. So let's go ahead and add it, and then this way I can show you how to adjust back to the Dataczar DNS. So click Add. So after you've added your name servers, click on Update. And there it is. Now it's hosting on a different hosting provider. Let's go back to the domain lock, and let's go ahead and lock the domain, and let's go back to dashboard. Now let's go ahead and start over, and let's let's go ahead and put it back on the Dataczar DNS. So if you need to go back to hosting on Dataczar, go to the Domains button, click the Settings, click Advanced, unlock the domain, same steps as before, everything's the same, and right here, name servers. It's hard to see because it's right next to the domains, but right here click on name servers, and then click the drop down, and this time instead of Other, you're going to put it back on Dataczar DNS. So when you put it back on Dataczar DNS, it loads the Dataczar name servers. Those are loaded right now. You don't have to do it manually. You just click on that, and then you click Update DNS, and now you're hosted back on Dataczar. And, you know, that's it. That's that's pretty much how you do it. However, let's just take a quick look at the Help button. And if you're working on your website, if you're not adjusting your name servers and you want to work on your website, featured tutorial videos is a great place to go. And it's recommended watching this first tutorial video, how to start building your website. This will be a big help for getting started building your website. Let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to adjust your name servers with Dataczar Connect.